All right, guys, we are looking to do full system replacement here at Unit F. I am just inside the front door. We'll need to cover all of this area with tarps here so we don't get anything on the carpet. So we're looking to do a S8X1. It'll be a 40,000 BTU. This unit is actually only 12 inches wide. So we'll do the A width. Yeah, you can see it's 12 inches wide. We'll do the A width, which is actually what this coil is right here, a 14.5, which it's pulling from the box down below. It's a 14 by 25 by 1 right in the wall. So we'll do the S8X1 A width. We'll do an A width coil. On top of that, we've got a 4-inch flue exhaust tying into, I believe this is a 6-inch. Get a measurement on that. Actually, that's a 5-inch. It's a 5-inch right there. Drain is running over top of the water heater to the back of the washing machine here. That'll need to be replaced. The gas shutoff is actually coming from down below. Need to get that replaced. And then we'll have to redo the plenum because everything's going to be quite a bit shorter in the current setup. Line sets are running R22. I'll have to cut, flush those out, and convert that over as well. And then the thermostat is sitting right here.